Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PI network login problem. PI network is a mobile crypto mining app that allows users to mine PI coins directly using their smartphones. And however, many pioneers face login problems such as login failed, app stuck on loading, verification not working, or unable to sign in. And if you're facing a PI network login issue, this guide will be a help to fix it quickly. So first you need to check your internet connection. Make sure a weak or unstable internet connection can block login. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and you can also turn on your airplane mode on and off, avoid VPNs or the public Wi-Fi, and then reopen the PI network again. You can also update your PI network app. Updated apps may not support login properly. You can simply go to your app store, find your PI network, make sure it's official, and tap update if available. Restart the app after updating. And sometimes login issue happen due to the server maintenance or overload. You can wait a few minutes, try logging in later, and this is a common during peak mining hour. And if the login problem still continues, you can simply reinstall the app, login using your original method. Never share a verification code or the passphrase with anybody, and that's how you can fix your network login problem. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.